Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I will show you two simple ways to add contacts on WhatsApp. Adding contacts is the first step before you can chat or call someone, and you can do it either through your phone's contact list or directly inside WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First method is to add through phone contacts. For that, open Contacts app on your phone. Now tap the plus icon at the top right. And here enter the person's name, their phone number, and save contact to. Let me do it to my phone. And once done, hit save. Now open WhatsApp. Tap the chat icon at the bottom right. And tap the search icon at the top right. And search the name. And you will see the new contact appear in your list. Second method is to add directly in WhatsApp. For that, open WhatsApp and tap the chat icon in the bottom right. Now tap New Contact and here enter the person's name and phone number, then hit save at the bottom. The contact is now saved and ready to chat instantly on WhatsApp. And that's it. You just learned two quick ways to add contacts on WhatsApp, either from your phone's contact list or directly inside WhatsApp. Super simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.